It's that time again, boys. Got your boy Mark getting right. Today, as you can see on the title, you're about to install what Mark been trying to get forever. I don't know why he ain't buy it before. The clear tails. See it. Yeah, but Mark got all new carbon stuff. Car freshly painted again. Fresh new carbon bumper. All this shit looking fresh. Fresh quarters. What you gotta say about that, my nigga? Taillights is cheaper. Chill out.
I heard you say carbon bumpers. I'm like, I never seen them before, man.
You got all types of carbon shit going on right now. So right now, boys, you gotta pull these little johnnies right here. Boom, boom, boom. So you could get the middle ones off. And we're gonna take these off too while we at it. Bang, bang. We're gonna go from there. Feel me? Give us like 3 minutes. We're gonna get to it. I ain't even gonna lie. You ain't even need 3 minutes because Mark already took one out. My Mark wasted no time. Look at my son. Yo, Mark, you know what to do with that?
I'm just looking at this like, this is not what I usually rock, but it's a new year.
My boy. I took the clears off mine. Now Mark got clears. It's a big change over here. I usually got the clears going on. I've been 50-50 for a little bit now. But yeah. What's that, my boy?
What's this, power washer?
Yeah, power washer.
The only thing I don't like.
What don't you like? Let me hear it. Tell the people what you don't like.
I mean, it's a common thing with reverse lights on the clears, but like, it's halogen. It's not LED to reverse.
You could just put a LED bulb in there, no? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe if I like.
You can replace it. You can pull that out. You don't spin?
Nah, you can, but I think.
I think.
I don't know how am I gonna break it.
Said Mark not trying to break nothing for once.
For once, it's true.
So we were having a little issue. Look at my boy Mark Taillight. Yo, Mark, show them. Show them the taillight, boy.
All that pre-LCI
Show them the taillight, lighting up. God damn.
You got that one right there.
But this one's working perfectly. They're not gonna know what was happening.
You don't even know. Just know if you got 2016, you don't need all this bullshit.
I'm weak. Mark not trying to show y'all what happened. But basically, it came with this wire. And it also came with a pre-LCI. Well, not this, but these right here. These like pre-LCI plugs, I guess. Whatever. So we unplugged that and plugged them directly into the taillight.
Oh, they're still sequential with the signal, with this one.
Cause I think yours is already. The top ones weren't. I know that. It was not sequential, bro. You're tripping. It was blinking.
When you put them on.
I don't know. But now it's working. Before this was blinking and this would light up when you hit the brakes, because we had all these wires plugged in that it came with. If you see, these say something in Chinese, but it has a 15, so I'm guessing pre-LCI. So we unplugged this, and obviously this don't plug into the car. So we unplugged this and plugged them directly into the car. Well, directly into this, which is the same plug as the car. Little did we know, we don't even need this. We don't need none of this.
That's because I'm not a pre-LCI.
So look at all these wires. Don't even need to talk them no more. My boy Mark was out here stressed. Now look at him, my boy's excited. He forgot about the gap on the taillight.
Which one?
One on the top.
Oh, this one, fuck that. This came out 1,000.
Take this shit off. About that time.
My car clean every day. Oh, now I'm stressed.
Nobody told you to get clears, my boy.
Oh, man. You know, I just wanted to get them back when they were out of style, man.
I'm weak. So yeah, now we're gonna finish putting everything together. You guys already know what's up with the plugs. Don't use them if you got an LCI. If you got pre-LCI, you probably need all those plugs, but you know, Mark don't need them, so movie. You don't need to tuck the wire through. If you're pre-LCI, you're gonna need to tuck a wire through basically this hole right here, then run it through here, all the way up, so that you could connect it to this middle one. But this is working. So yeah. You guys already know what's up. We're going back to the time lapse. So you have something that'll make you blind somebody. See, they're on. Got them running sequential. We got the fog light working. Yo, Mark, can you turn off the light real quick? I'll catch it on the video. Like Mark don't know what to do, man. Going in right now. Look at him. Taking all the flicks. To hit the hazards. Yeah. Look tough.
Red ones did look better. Imagine. Yo, just rock this DSR for me.
I ain't going. Oh boy, Mark styling. Stop playing with your boy, Mark. How you feeling about your new Taillights game?
I like it.
Alright. Kind of tough, man. Mark put on his new wheels that y'all don't even know about. This joint's gonna look crazy. Carbon all over the car now. Stop playing with my son.
I don't need this.
Oh, that shit going in the F80. Chill out. We don't know what to. Huh?
Look at that, my friend. Oh my god. 89. I have a nice box for my old Jones.
How much time y'all think Mark got till he go back to red?
Till I get an offer, I need the bread.
Yo, we could tint these low key.
With that blue?
Hit them with a little.
With that
Not even
custom clear?
Huh?
That's something for like 800 bucks?
Sunset 800. Just took the clears and freaking, who knows, probably put a little blue tint on them.
I think it was probably cleaning his car, got acid on it by mistake and said, oh shit, this looks nice.
Hold up, what's going on? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, ski.
Outside. Alright, man. I'm kind of hyped. We ain't get to do nothing on my car today, but we got a lot of done, man. I got Apple CarPlay on the car today. He got clear taillights on. You know what I'm saying? We took the carbon piece he had over here that looked horrible. Apple CarPlay. Feel me?
Apple CarPlay. Full screen Apple CarPlay.
And it got upgraded from ID4 to ID6. Let them know.
I mean, that's the only way you can get CarPlay.
Yo, bro, chill out. Cause then, you know, when your boy get an Android head unit for 200, and he don't got iDrive 4 or 5 or 6, nigga, this shit is doing whatever it want. I'm gonna have Apple CarPlay.
I almost forgot to put the clips on, gang.
Oh, I thought you already did that.
No, I'm not that fast.
Alright, boys. You guys saw it here first, man. Go watch another video. Me and Mark gonna get to work on something else. You already know.